Welcome to You Suck Tutorials. Today I'm going to attempt to show you how to use Ultra Key in Adobe Premiere. Now I'm going to be honest with you. This is one of the easiest features to use in this program, and yet nonetheless you had to look up a tutorial for it. But that's beside the point. I'm just saying you probably aren't going to be progressing too far into your editing hobby or whatever. But anyways, let's just get into this. So I'm going to create a new project. You could save it wherever you feel like. I don't honestly care. It's you do you, I guess. So we have our timeline here. So first thing we're going to do, all right? Now pay attention because I know these are big steps for you. All right, we're going to go to File. We're going to go to Import. This is where we're going to get our photos. I'm using photos instead of video because I feel like moving pictures would just be too much for you to handle. Or there's another cool little tip for you. Just double click on the import, and then we're gonna find our green screen folder right here and our photos. Alright, so we're gonna take this picture of the ocean and this whale right here. We're gonna open those up, okay? Following along? So we're going to drop the ocean into our software. I would not recommend that. It's going to destroy your computer. Alright, so we got the ocean, but we're missing what's in the ocean. We got animals, right? So we're going to put this whale in the ocean, but I mean, this is giant green screen in the back. What are you going to do about that? Well, here's what you're going to do about that. You're going to go to your effects, you're going to type in Ultra Key, okay? Now, other programs would call it something else, but Adobe's special. We're going to call it Ultra Key, I guess. Alright, so we're going to drop our Ultra Key, okay? Hold down on it. Put it on the whale. You're thinking, well, oh no, there's nothing there. Well, guess what? Yes, there is. Okay, so you're going to go over here. Now, do not use this, because guess what? You think you know this color? You don't know this color. Don't even try. Take your eyedropper tool, plop it on there, and there you go. We have a whale in the ocean.